Okay, good evening guys. It's 10 p.m. here in the Philippines and this is the date. And I am about to reveal the trending post you see on Facebook today about Euler Shield, which says that 314,159 is the fixed price of Picoin. So before that, what is Euler Shield? Euler Shield is, according to my research, is an AI software that regulates the price of Pi network. That's all I know. I don't know how they made it. Don't ask me. I am not from Stanford University. I'm from the Philippines, from National University, Manila. It's an engineering course, forte, but I took nursing because my parents told me to. Important note below, Euler Shield is still a conceptual project. The specific software architecture, implementation details, and the exact mechanisms for price stabilization are likely still under development or may evolve significantly. So we are here again at Kosashi the encoder, the coder. Below you can see Euler Shield. Then you go below, you will see where's that? Yun, there you go. Here, Picoin value. Here, this one, Picoin value USD, Picoin value 314159, fixed value of Picoin as a stable digital currency in USD. It's very clear. This value represents $314,159. So it's very clear that this is the fixed price. Oh, the fixed value they are targeting, maybe on the open mainnet, or surely on the open mainnet. So guys, don't stop mining until the open mainnet. See you there.